Interesting little room full of electronics with a very serious dead smell in here. Searched everything, trying to determine where the smell was, and found feathers coming out of a wall. Found mouse droppings in the ceiling, and I'm finding massive amounts of skeletons, bones, feathers coming out of an outlet in the wall. I'm going to take you in and show you that a little bit closer. And here we got wiring. And every time we put the hemostat in, we come out with more dead. And just hear the bones crunching. But honestly, I'm not getting a real bad dead smell out of here yet. So I would think that this is a deadfall. And as I keep pulling stuff out, I'm going to eventually get something wet. Because that's where this smell is coming from. The other thing I also found was place packs on the floor and all over the place in here. All the bones. Place packs for mice. Actually in the room, under the table, up on top of the table. I'll show you some other things in a second here. Look at all them bones. And of course this table has to be in the way. Never easy. There's a nice big hunk right there. Now we're getting a little more smell. Yeah, hunka birdie. Hunka birdie. Oh yeah, come on. That's a wet one. That's a wet one. There we go. Oh yeah, come on baby. Oh yeah. Lovely. That is not, oh yeah, that's a big piece of, oh god dang, look at that, bloody. Yeah, we got you. We got you. Piece by piece. Out you come, you rotten, disgusting, dirty bird. Hold up. Respirator. In a safety bag. Yes. Okay, we need to get some air protection because the smell just became overpowering. We definitely got the spot. We got the spot. Oof, god dang. Yeah, interesting little room here. Interesting little room. That wasn't mouse poison. That filled this room up with dead smell. That's that big old dead bird in there. Yes, sir, bub. Alright, Mr. Nasty. Hopefully you all come out. Good. Oh yeah, lovely. That's it. That's why it stinks in here. That was most of them, but there's still some nasty stuff. I don't know if you want to be in here right this second. It's getting real bad.
You got birds there?
Yeah. I got about 6 or 7 of them out of here already.
Okay, have fun. You want some smelly stuff?
I have a respirator. I'm pulling bloody ones out now. Figured that I'm moving back.
Anybody alive?
No. This is what they call a deadfall.
So they fall in that hole, huh?
They can't get back up, that's right. There's a chase on the wall here. That was the big parts. Oh man, every time I go in there I get another one, look at that.
You need to cut a bigger hole?
I don't think so, 'cause it seems to be all in this spot. Oh, there's another wet one.
Seems to all be in this box.
Holy shit.
Pulling out guts now. You folks wonder what I do for a living? This is part of it. There we go. Hey, it even looks a little bit like a birdie. Got his head out intact in that one. There's another one. There's another one. Yeah, that looks like a bird. Looks good, don't it? Yummy. Put that on the barbecue. Okay, what do we got? I got another one. There it comes. We got birdie number 10. Ooh, he fell apart. Ooh, birdie number 10. Come on, I want to get lucky 12. Oh, this looks like it could be part of them. You know, the hardest part of this job is my arms are getting tired. Come on, there he is. I knew I'd get an 11. There's number 11. Okay. Yep, we got another one. There's number 12. There you go. There we go. We got another head. So I know that's number 12. That's how I've been counting them.
This is why the birds got in the building to begin with. You can see that trim all along the edge of the building. You can see the droppings up down the wall. Be a little shaky for a second with this camera. And you see what happens with this trim here. It's just off the top. This is goes right over the edge, over the top, like that, and in. And the top one, yeah, it could also use some sills. It has insulation in there already, so I'm not too worried about the top one. It's this bottom one. And these birds just love to go up underneath this and climb around inside there. Hey.